The second reason why we need an FOI bill is, again, as YB Nasmi said, we need to clarify, to make very, very clear the position between the federal government and the state government. Okay? We do anticipate, one of the first things that's going to happen after this bill, hopefully when it's amended and made stronger, gets passed by the Selangor State Legislative Assembly, is that maybe the first or maybe the second time that somebody seeks to get information, somebody is going to say, no, we're not going to give it to you. Why? Because this is a federal matter. Right? This information or this document was actually produced for a cabinet committee, federal cabinet committee. Therefore, it's bound by the OSA. You can't see it. Your Menteri Besar cannot declassify it because he's got no power to do so. And we anticipate that that's bound to happen, and then the whole legislation, or at least the denial of access to information, is going to go all the way to court. In some cases, these things are inevitable. We like to try to plan for that to be avoided, but I think the current position, when government, when political parties are such fundamental loggerheads, this is almost unavoidable. That these things have to be tested in court, and it's very helpful. Some of the principles that Judicial Commissioner Hadara has used, but we also don't know whether these will be affirmed on appeal when the government finally files the appeal. At the moment, they said that notice of appeal, the decision has been stayed pending the appeal. But like the Ala case, we don't know when the appeal is going to happen. It's just, to me, it's a bit of a delaying tactic so that these things are taken out of circulation. But rest assured, to me, it's bound to be challenged. So in order to perhaps try to avoid that, an FOI bill is important so that we can actually try to anticipate some of the arguments and to say, okay, well, we accept that this is a federal matter. We're not trying to go after cabinet papers. We're not trying to go after cabinet decisions, cabinet documents. But the law has allowed us, as a state, to declassify our state documents. So we're going to do that. And, where is the breach of constitutionality in that? Then there's also